Morning, it's me, Jimmy. So the question is the Alison Diploma in Caregiving worth it? Uh, if you don't know, you can do the Alison Diploma for free. But if you want a physical certificate, you have to pay. Yes, you have to pay. So let me see. Yeah. So the price will be for a physical Alison Diploma, which will be mailed to you around 96 euro. 96 euro is like 100 US dollar. Alison, listen, please put the currency in US dollar, please. I have to always do the conversion. Right now, I mean, the 96 US dollar is around 103, 96 euro is around 103 US dollar. So just assume like 100 US dollar you have to pay for a physical piece of paper. But now let me get back to the question. The question is about the Alison Diploma in Caregiving. I mean, I mean, if you're already working, you already have some experience, you wanna change your job, you can add this piece of paper. I mean, you can say you're ready, and now you have 2 year experience in caregiving. You're working in some kind of, I mean, foster home or elderly, I mean, some kind of home. Just you can show them, and then you have done this piece of paper, and it will help you to get a job much easier. But just based on the Alison Diploma in Caregiving, you can get a job. It's all by the luck and your reference and your connection, but it will be hard without any experience. So I mean, overall, I mean, you are learning some, I mean, good thing. I mean, the fundamental of caregiving, infection, nutrition, food safety, emergency. I mean, even you don't want to get into caregiving, but still, like I say, I will recommend everyone to do. Everyone do the diploma in caregiving for free. Don't get a piece of paper unless you really need it for a job. Everyone have their parents. I mean, it's like it will teach you something like, I mean, emergency, something happened to your elder, if an old person fell down, if there's a fire, what kind of nutrition. I mean, the material you will be learning is very useful. Let me recap. The material you will learning in the caregiving diploma is very useful. So that is my answer. So make sure to check out links in the description box. Subscribe and bye. You can check out my channel MBA Market Business Africa, where I talk about my African business journey and give you tips and tricks on how to start a business in East and West Africa. And also check out my travel channel Outing Journal, where I love to travel with my wife around the world. My wife is diagnosed with the retinitis pigmentosa, so she is like now 75% technically blind, but still we are not giving our hope. As you can see, my wife is half blind. You can check out this video. Also make sure to check out my Spider-Man review. This is Outing Journal. Also check out my online travel magazine Outing Journal, where I love to write about travel article, travel story, for example, such as this one. I love travel writing. I want to become one of the best travel writer out there. And I'm also teaching on Skillshare. Please check out Skillshare. I'm giving you a 1 month free trial. Here's my course on Skillshare. More courses are upcoming on Skillshare. I'm teaching on Skillshare. And also check out my courses on Udemy. Yes, my courses on Udemy, I have around 4 courses, over 20,000 students. Most of my courses are going quite well. Make sure to support me on Skillshare and Udemy. That's all. Keep going on. Never stop learning. Learn until you die.